Hello, I'm Diana Gill, and I'm excited to share with you for Valentine's Day 2 Creative Commons tools that I absolutely love to help you be a responsible creator. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the Creative Commons License Chooser, which is an add-on for Google Slides. So Creative Commons licenses, they allow you to kind of manage the terms of copyright as applied to the work that you are creating and remixing from scratch. And so if you want to be an awesome sharer, but you want to say, hey, I'm going to share this with you, but don't make money on it or something like that, you can apply a Creative Commons license to your work to manage those terms. To do that easily inside of Google Docs, if you go to add-ons, get add-ons, you would search for the Creative Commons license chooser, and you click to add this. I already have it added. Once I have that added as an add-on, then I can go ahead and click to launch it. So add-ons, Creative Commons License Chooser, press start, and you'll get this dashboard over here on the right. Then I will answer some questions. Do I want adaptations of my work to be shared? Yes. No, meaning please don't change my stuff. Or yes, as long as others share their new adaptation alike. So depending on what it is that you are sharing can help you determine if you want any sort of adaptations or derivatives to be made. Do you want commercial uses of your work? Yes, you're fine with that, or no? And that will help select a license for you. All you have to do then, after you answer those questions, is click Insert License Information in a document. And wherever your cursor is, that information will pop right into your document. And then from here, I can kind of work with the formatting. Notice that it also hyperlinks. So I get my image, it says how the work is licensed. It hyperlinks the license. And if I click on this, it's going to take me to an easy to understand layman's term kind of page that tells me what this license means. So awesome. And I certainly hope that this comes out soon for Google Slides because I love to design in slides. So if you haven't yet learned anything about Creative Commons licenses, this is a great way to apply them to your work in an easy way. If you haven't checked them out in general, please take your time to head over to creativecommons.org, which is where we're going to go next for our next tool, which is the Creative Commons one-click image attribution. Copyright is so important to talk about with students and to apply to the work that we do as educators as we design instructional materials. The easiest way, good point of entry, is to start with images because we all use images. So if I head over to creativecommons.org and click search for CC images, this is an alternative to heading out and doing like a basic Google image search because I can automatically know using this platform that I'm going to be looking for things that are licensed in a way that I'm allowed to use my images. There are tons of resources out there that find images for you that are openly licensed, but today we're just focusing on the Creative Commons. So if I come here and type in my search term, I'm going to look for drafts. I want something I can use for commercial purposes and modify or adapt. You can go ahead and filter right from the start. Press search, and then I can find the images I'm allowed to use. If I click on an image, below it's going to tell me a little bit more about how I'm allowed to use this. But what's so super sweet about this is that if I press this button, copy rich text, come back to my doc, and bam, I have a perfect image attribution from clicking once instead of having to build it by myself. Because a good attribution for an image includes a number of things. We've got the name of the image linked back to the source, by the author linked back to his page, is licensed under, gives me the license, which is hyperlinked back to the page that explains the license. You could do that all manually, or you could take advantage of the Creative Commons one-click image attribution. Hope this was helpful. Follow me on Twitter at Diana R. Gill, #CopyRighteous, and check out CopyRighteous on Amazon. Thanks. Happy Valentine's Day.